In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT unable to load site 2026 full guide. When image uploads stall, fail, or even make the page feel like it won't load, the root cause is often limits rather than a browser problem. So let's make this smooth by understanding the platform's image rules, the caps tied to your subscription, and a few practical workarounds to keep your workflow moving. First, check the hard size and format rules. Each individual image must be 20 megabytes or smaller. Supported formats are PNG, JPEG, WebP, and static GIF. Most photos from modern phones fit comfortably under that ceiling, but uncompressed professional RAW shots do not. If you're using RAW, convert to JPEG or PNG before uploading. This simple conversion prevents silent failures and avoids the kind of timeout that can look like the site isn't responding. Next, keep an eye on daily and rolling limits, which are stricter for images than for text. Free accounts are limited to 2 images per day. Plus, subscribers can upload up to 50 images per day, and there's also a rolling limit of up to 80 total file uploads in any 3-hour window. Team and business plans double that capacity to 100 images per day and up to 160 files every 3 hours. Daily image caps reset at midnight UTC, not your local time zone, so if you're working close to that cutoff, a brief wait can instantly clear the block. When batching content, the web and desktop apps let you attach up to 20 files or images in a single message. That's great for comparing versions or reviewing a storyboard at once. Just remember that unused daily image quota doesn't roll over. If you have a heavy visual workload, schedule big batches around the UTC reset so you don't waste capacity. Uploads to non-temporary chats save into your file library and count against cloud storage. Free has 500 megabytes total, Go has 4 gigabytes. Plus and Business have 20 gigabytes and Pro has 100 gigabytes. If you're running out of space, clear old image-heavy threads or delete assets from the settings, then storage menu to reclaim room. If you hit an upload limit reached message before your daily quota, it may be dynamic throttling during peak traffic. Compress or downscale images to WebP or a 1080p JPEG to cut processing overhead and avoid timeouts. And if your file library is full, switch to a temporary chat to process one-off images without using storage. Keep images optimized, know your tiers, rolling limits, and you'll avoid most load hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.